Today, I'm going to share with you how to make the instant moong dal recipe. Place a kadai on the stove and take 1 cup of moong dal. We then fry it nicely until the moong dal turns a nice reddish brown color. You can see the color here. We then add this to a mixer grinder and grind it into a fine powder. Let's keep this separately. On a tawa, we then take 1 teaspoon of Rava and then fry it alongside well in some ghee. To this, we add our finely ground moong dal powder. Now mix this well in the presence of desi ghee so that it turns into a darkish yellow formation. To this, we add 1 cup of milk. While stirring vigorously, we add another cup of milk and water mixed in the same proportion. Now we mix this and close the lid and allow it to cook. When the lid is opened, you find that it is thickened into a nice paste, and to this we add 1 cup of sugar and mix it well. We add 1 spoon of elaichi powder for flavor and top it up with some more desi ghee so that the texture becomes more smoother. One thing very important here is to saute this on low flame to remove any excess water and have a halwa-like formation. To this we top it up with some dry fruits and the moong dal halwa is now ready.